Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get into a Kia Optima with a dead battery. First, find the small release button or switch on your key fob to reveal the hidden physical key. Once you have the key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Turn the key clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your model, to manually unlock the door. This method bypasses the electronic locking system, allowing you to gain entry, even when the car's battery is completely dead. Once you are inside your Kia Optima, the next step is to open the hood to access the battery. Look for the hood release lever, typically located on the lower left side of the driver's footwell. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a click as the primary latch disengages. Then, go to the front of the car and locate the secondary safety latch under the hood, usually near the center, and push it to fully open the hood. With the hood open, you'll need to find the 12-volt battery. In many Kia Optima models, it's clearly visible in the engine bay. Identify the positive terminal, usually marked with a plus sign and a red cover, and the negative terminal, marked with a minus sign. Some Optima models might have remote jump start terminals, which are often more accessible. These are designed to make jump starting easier, especially if the battery is in a tight spot. To jump start your Optima, connect the red positive cable to your dead battery's positive terminal, then to the assisting car's positive terminal. Connect the black negative cable to the assisting car's negative terminal, and then to an unpainted metal surface on your Optima's engine block, away from the battery. Start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. Then, try to start your Kia Optima. If it starts, remove the cables in reverse order.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.